I still need to fill this form. Will I find the right counter before my number is called? Good. I deposited the money. But now I need to check my account balance. Almost finished. Everything is done. I deposited money, checked my balance, and learned about savings accounts.
Grandpa needs to go to the bank today. He needs to deposit some money.
I am going to the bank alone today. Grandma says I can do it by myself. Wow, this bank building looks so big from the outside. But I can do this all by myself today. I take a number and wait in the queue. Queue means a line of people waiting. I still need to fill this form. Will I find the right counter before my number is called? Look at that. I am filling out this bank form so quickly and perfectly. Grandma will be so proud of my paperwork today.
Excuse me, sir. You accidentally filled out the wrong section here. Please write your account number right inside this box instead.
Always ask for help when you need it. Say, could you help me fill this form, please?
Perfect. I have successfully deposited your cash into your account. Here is your official receipt for the transaction, sir.
Good. I deposited the money. But now I need to check my account balance. Oh dear. I pressed the wrong button and now the ATM screen looks totally different. I hope nobody saw me make this silly mistake. Your PIN is your secret bank number. Never share your PIN with anyone. Yes, I finally did it and checked my account balance all by myself. Look, the ATM machine even gave me a successful receipt. 2 important bank words. Deposit means put money in. Withdraw means take money out. Almost finished. Everything is done. But wait, I forgot one more thing.
Good morning, sir. A savings account is a great way to grow your money safely. Let me give you this helpful brochure with all the details.
A savings account helps you save money slowly. Every month you add a little more. Hello, Grandma. I successfully finished everything at the bank today. I did the banking all by myself and it was so easy.
He did it all by himself. I am so proud of my grandpa today.
I deposited money, checked my balance, and learned about savings accounts. Stay for the lesson.
Today's bank words: deposit, withdraw, balance, queue, teller, PIN, savings.
3 key bank phrases today.
I would like to deposit. What is my balance? Could you help me, please?
And never ever share your PIN.
Subscribe to Nana English Daily now. New English lesson every 2 days.
And I did the banking all by myself.